Okay, this is the ISS, and it's got a split down it. Pretty fascinating to see. Gonna watch this for a while. I've seen this before. And the black took the screen over to hide everything that was in the background. It was like it was a screen. So. Very strange. The blue's getting larger and the black's getting smaller, narrower. That's what it looks like.
Good morning, go ahead. Tommy, you ready to start the apps for Adam's Film Place 2? Drew, we are ready as well. And next, let's move on to Spacecraft 3 for this stuff.
SPACECRAFT? Is that what they said? Yeah, the black's getting narrower.
Station on 2 for iPad.
ears. Go ahead, Alex.
So I had the chance to pull out that old iPad of mine, the 1007, 1007, and I loaded them. I loaded server 1 on Chrome on both of them in Node 3, and the old iPad connects immediately. The new iPad has connection troubles, so it says site could not be reached and so on. With the new iPad, the old iPad immediately connected, and I repeated that several times. So there appears to be a difference in the settings of that old iPad and the new iPad, or maybe it's not in the list of approved MAC addresses or something like that. I don't know on the system side, but definitely there is a difference.
Okay, Alex, I tell you, that's fabulous info. We appreciate doing that. That should be helpful. We don't have everything right now, but we will definitely tag up with you later.
No rush, no worries. I mean, we can walk around it, so not a high priority, but definitely something that would be appreciated eventually. Thanks for working on that.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
This looks to be lowering a little bit slowly this way. As this still seems to be narrowing slowly. And this is getting larger. So each time this moves a little down this way, this changes. So maybe this is causing this. It's projecting it possibly. It happens simultaneously. Just an observation.
Participation. Go ahead, Mr. Rowe. Regarding the cam check, am I supposed to call BAIKONUR? Or are they going to call me first? Oleg, if you're ready, we're
OLEG.
working on company config right now. And just let us know if you're ready.
Our little ASGARDIAN.
Ready since early this morning. Okay, stand by.
Copy.
So it went from a split screen to this shape. And each change happens with each time this goes downward. And I'm going to run out of minutes. I have 2.5 left, darn it. It's getting smaller. It's the first time I've caught this like this. It'll be a boring video for most, but there could be something to be learned here, so I'm going to upload it in case somebody has background in this. They may have a theory or a educated opinion on it. Okay, we've got less than a half a minute. I'll put in the description. This is a long video. Have a blessed day. It's 4:30 a.m. I'm going to bed. Good night. God bless.